Want to create AI videos using Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Here's how to do it. Open the Google Gemini app on your phone. Sometimes you will see quick options like create video directly on the main screen. If the option is not visible, tap the menu icon that look like a small list near the message box. This will open more creating options from this list, like create video. Now type a description of the video you want to generate. For example, create a cinematic video of a futuristic city flying over the ocean at sunset. Okay, tap the send and wait while Gemini generates your video. And that's how to create AI videos using Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.